So welcome back to our discussion on current mirror. So we've seen that we have this positive voltage supply V, and we through the resistor we draw the current through it. We call it I reference. And then I am using a transistor in case of a BJT based current mirror. I call it Q1. And then I put up the collector and the base shorted to each other, and the emitter of it is connected to the ground. And then I want to make a replica of my reference, so I use another exactly same transistor Q2. Same means the beta 1 is equal to beta 2. IC max VCEO 1 is equal to IC max 2, VCEO1 is equal to VCEO2. So the transistors are equal. Transistors are same or equal in properties. And because of that, it helps me to have that current which is required. And here I say that I have an I out. So essentially I would like to connect it to the load. This is the current I want to deliver to the load. So we just saw in the previous module that my I reference is equal to IC, or in this case it is I out. It was 1 plus 2 over beta. So if the beta is very, very large, so I reference and I out can be made equal, right? So that's how I am making copy. But I want to make you understand something. For example, I would say this part, there are two parts of the circuit. So this is left side of the green line is called as part 1, and I would say it is current to voltage converter. Current to voltage converter. How? I am having the positive supply V, drawing the reference current R by setting up the resistor value. And since the collector and the base are short, I have this voltage VBE that is basically there. Okay, so just a minute, I want to do that. So with that arrangement, I am essentially producing the voltage at this node, which is VCE, right? Because you see the base voltage at the base and the voltage at the collector, they are same with respect to emitter, which is grounded. I am going to have VCE, and that voltage is being produced because of the current I reference that I'm letting it flow. Okay, the value of R can be set up as V plus minus VCE divided by I reference. So large the value of the current, smaller the resistance will have. And then this part of the circuit is called as voltage to current converter. So essentially the voltage applied at this, which is actually VBE here, right, is getting controlled, is controlling the output current. Okay, you modulate that voltage and your output voltage gets controlled. So this is how your current mirror is working. So, okay, hope you found this video useful. If you did so, share it with others. Wish you happy learning.